All right, so today we're gonna make this chicken curry, chicken, chickpea, coconut. It's really, really simple. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So in the center at the back here, I've got 400 ml, about a pint of coconut milk. Chicken breast, no skin, no bone. Cut that into kind of, fairly small little chunks, bite-sized pieces. There's around 3 cups worth there, or 2 decent sized breasts. 1 can here, I'm using from a can, chickpeas, again a 400 ml kind of regular sized can. If you're using from a can like me, drain them off, give them a nice wash in some cold water. 1 cup of onions, I've cut those really small. Tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, now that's a 50-50 mix of the two. 2 star anise there and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And then here we've got 5 powders. We've got 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, coriander, cumin, and in the center there, garam masala powder. If you want, you can just use a regular kind of curry powder mix you already have, but I do find the individual spices to be a bit better. There's going to be a couple of other bits we're going to put in this, but yeah, I'll show you those in a minute. So you're going to need a wok pan or something like that. In there I've got some oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use a different oil if you want, and there's like 3 tablespoons of oil there. We're going to drop in the couple of star anise and the cumin seeds. Just a few seconds, let them do their thing in here. They'll infuse that oil, give it a really fabulous flavor. Doesn't take long. And then we're going to drop in first the chicken. I mean, this cooks really quickly, this one. So I've got about 3 cups here of chicken breast. Cut fairly small, as you can see. We're on a high heat. We're going to go for about 4 minutes. Okay, that's just 4 minutes. You see it's changed color there. We're going to drop in now 1 cup of onion. Now I've got this onion cut really quite small. We're going to add in the ginger garlic paste. Like I say, that's just a 50-50 mix of the two. Now here's something that I didn't show you earlier. Fresh chili, up to you how much you want to put in. Let's get some salt in the mix. Let's stay on this high heat and go for another 3 minutes. Keep it moving now. Okay, as we do this little zoom, please do take time to give us a thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe. Fabulous. Okay, time for those chickpeas. In they go. Like I say, they're from a can. If you're going to use from a can, give them a nice rinse through. Let's get our powders in. So we've got 1 teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, and garam masala powder. 3 minutes now. Keep it moving all the time, because once you get your powders in, you don't want it to burn. If they burn, they taste bitter. So just keep it moving. 3 minutes, we're nearly done. Beautiful. 1 pint of coconut milk, in that goes. I'm also now going to add some fresh mint. You could put fresh cilantro or coriander in there, but I think a little bit of mint in this is beautiful. I'm going to lower the heat now to medium, and I'm going to let this go for 4 to 5 more minutes, and this is done. It's fabulous. Look at that, off goes the heat, beautiful. You can see the coconut's reduced down, it's darkened in color, just fabulous. And there it is, absolutely beautiful. Eat that with some lovely steamed rice or with some bread or something like that. I hope you enjoyed that. You take care. Lots of love.